Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting an old wash and go, and I'm using this band that I used to use when I had a relaxer and a short haircut to kind of create a poof slash pony at the top of my hair so we can have this top knot bun achieved. I'm just going to secure it all the way around and tie it so that it does not move and I can get it as tight as possible without creating a headache. Okay, so yeah, and whenever I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all my hair out of this bun because you guys can tell all the different curl patterns I have. Having a perfect poof and a ponytail is not gonna work out for me, so I just go ahead and brush everything back so it's nice and sleek as possible, and then I just try to detangle and wrap these loose curls around into a bun. But since that doesn't work, I'm going to get a scrunchie to just kind of tie it all together so that we are having some type of a unison going on in here and it won't be looking crazy, girl, because ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment down below. You guys know what's up. Let me know, how do you guys do your top knot buns where you have different textures, because child is a struggle. Okay, struggle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my aloe vera juice to spray around on my head and apply my edge styler to slick my hair down to make it nice and sleek and neat before I tie it down so everything lays nice and flat. I am going to take those little loose ends and tuck them so that it don't look crazy and you can't really see it. But yeah, this is how the back looks, and guys, yes, this is how my top knot bun looks. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and kisses from me to you. Bye.